Hello, come in. We've got a Texas Star 667 repair review. Lordy mercy, was it blowed up? That trace is blown, all four pistons blowed out, all the 10 ohms, all your bias resistors. Your combiner over here is on fire. It looks like somebody started a fire in there. All this is unsoldered. It was about as bad as I ever fixed one. I probably normally would have run from this one as soon as I seen it, but you know, his far the guy just ordered a big old base box off of me, so I gotta fix him up. Good customer. Sometimes we do things we don't like for good people that need it, good customers, you know, that appreciate it. She's all up and ready to go. We'll start out looking at straight through SWR like we always do it. Straight through SWR. Worldwide, 0. Turn him on, wide open, input SWR. Worldwide, 0. You turn it up a little bit, it's down too low. We'll turn it to about car volts. Let's see, we're gonna go for 14.2. You don't want to volt a Texas Star, they can't take it. 14.3, that's close enough. Hello audio. 14.1, I'll be right on the money. Alright, this does have the MOSFET drivers. Input tune, worldwide. 2500 watt slug, PP. Worldwide, 6700, PP. Get on down, that's wide open. That's at 14.1 or 2. On the LP, worldwide. That's wide open. There's your meter working. Oh yeah, your light was gone too. I put a light in there. I mean, this thing was all jacked up, but it's all perfect now. It'll be good as new. Push in the dollar watt. Worldwide. Drop it down a little bit. It dials watts on high or low. You can turn the barrel back. Worldwide, so it goes down like it's supposed to with the dollar watt. Preamp works good. That's it, man. It's all fixed up. Let's see my work again. That trace breaker was blown clean into. Man, it was rough. Brand new set of HGs in there. Just cleaned up and good to go, man. There she is, Texas Star 667 repair review. Look at it one more time. On the LP, wide open. Worldwide, get on down. Alright, buddy, she's ready to go. I'll get this put back together, get the lid on her, and get her out to you. Alright, folks, thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Your friend and 10-0 on that boost. I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.